Hello and welcome to day number 3. We are ready to leave the hotel. It's already 11:30. Had to transfer some video files and had to be lazy. Today we go to Zakopane, but first we try out the road where the hotel staff told us, yes, you can pass to Czechia over that road, but it's really bad. So we say great, we take that one. But it's a couple of kilometers to that road, so I will come back to you from the border after you see the map. And then you see if we got over the border or not.
Toes from my missteps and tortured souls. I learned my way, breaking every bone. Now I see all these aches and make you grow. And every fall has a rise, every burn has a flame. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane. Now I'm made with what remains. A thick skin, knowing it's just growing pain. I cut my teeth till I taste the way. My empty mouth finds the words to say. All the things I found being chipped away, and all the ways I built from how I pray. And every laugh has a cry, every loss has a gain. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows,
Yes, this is the right way.
Now I'm made with what remains. A thick skin, knowing it's just
Entering
growing
Czechia.
pain.
And finally, we're in the mountains and we have twisties.
I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane. Now I'm made with what remains. A thick skin, knowing it's just growing pain.
Time to kill a Ferrari. Way too easy. Guess the truck will be harder to overtake.
Hear the commotion, and that's okay, 'cause we're in motion. I can feel the sway. There's nothing to fear, my friend, oh no. It's the natural rattle. And when the ground is shaking and the thunder roars, I wouldn't worry, it's just a storm. I just let my body pause to the natural rattle. So unwind the dawn, unravel. We can't help but be a little fragile through the clatters inside and crackles. All the sounds of the natural rattle vibrating us all. The natural rattle vibrating us all. Hear the rockets all day and night. The world is noisy, and that's alright. Every sound is just a piece of the natural rattle. So unwind and don't unravel. We can't help but be a little fragile through the clatters inside and crackles. Are the sounds of the natural rattle vibrating us all. The natural rattle vibrating us all.
Well, I guess it's enduro time. Take the small roads, they say. They're great, they say. That should be just 10 kilometers. So let's see. See, that wasn't so bad. That doesn't get worse.
I know these wines
It's a tarmac road. There's nothing to complain about.
lead me home. To you I'll go. I know these stepping stones I've walked alone to you, my home. Now I stand by your side, oh, on our own time. Oh,
It's up on 1,200 meters. Can you believe that? Doesn't look that high. Here went something wrong. Google is drunk.
And so now I go down all these roads with you now.
Yeah, I think I cut it off here. End of day number 3. All in all, a good day. No rain. And mostly good roads. The rival road was fun as well. So that's okay. There we have the police. So a couple of those. Hope they're not behind the biker. And yeah, that's it. Ah yeah, maybe I forgot to mention we are not going to Zakopane anymore. We decided to stay on the south side of the Tatra Mountains because the roads just look nicer, as you can see here. But it is a search zone for whatever reason. Maybe they have a mobile control. I don't think so. But let's let Temo pay the fine. Oh, fuck it. Anyway, that's it now, finally. Over and out.